Hello crafty friend, it's Trinae and I am so happy to be back and creating videos. It's been almost 2 months. Like wow. Since I was able to create a video. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then you would know this, but I had surgery and I wasn't able to do much crafting these last couple of weeks, but now I am up, I'm moving around, I'm able to use my arms again. No more tiny T-Rex arms. Like after my surgery I had to keep my arms, like the doctor's like, pretend you're a T-Rex and that's how I want you to keep your arms down, so no lifting above your head or nothing like that. So I was really limited in what I could do, couldn't lift more than 5 pounds. But now I am back. I was able to drive for the first time this week and it just feels good to, be back. But I'm jumping on to share with you the January You're My Type kit from Spellbinder. This is the card kit. I also get their die kits every month, but it hasn't came yet. So it looked like they included a little gift, or either this just fell out, but how cute are these little hearts and dots? They are really cute. Little stickers. So let's get into this kit. Now I usually don't get their card kits. I bought this kit because I wanted a die that was in it. Crazy, right? But I just had to have this die, so I have the kit. Alright, so here is like a little overview of what it is, like what's in the box. So this is called the You're My Type. It's kind of Valentine's Day themed, but you can also use this as just like any type of cards if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day. So, and they tell you what's included: 10 cards and envelopes, a set of dies, paper pad, a stamp set, sequence, cardstock, die cut shapes, stickers, foam squares, and adhesive. You can buy this kit and create like all the cards that you want. If you are new to card making, I honestly would even suggest getting a kit like this because it includes everything that you would need down to the adhesive, and it just makes it easier, and they give you some examples of things that you can make until you can start trusting your own creative process. The card bases are included, and this is some good quality cardstock. They gave us a red, a pink, and a white. So those are our card bases. They also, let's pull out the rest of this stuff. This is the adhesive. So as you can see, it's like some foam squares, and it's some double-sided tape, which is always good. And you see, they gave us a good bit of it. So you really can't beat that. Those are the die cuts, some letters, what I bought this kit for. Got a stamp, envelopes, and more card base. So as you can see, they gave us some white ones as well. These are a little bit thinner. So as you can see, that like this one is almost made out of like poster board type material, and this one is just made out of like cardstock. All right, and then here's our cardstock. So all right, let's and our sequence. So you can even make a shaker card. How cool is that? All right, so I'm gonna push this to the side so we can look at just a regular cardstock. So have a green, pink, yellow, loving these colors, blue, a white, and a cream cardstock. They also included a paper pad, and what I like about Spellbinders is you get the whole paper pad. With some other card kits, they only give you like one of the papers, but with this one you get a whole paper pad, which I think that's kind of cool. Oh, and this cost me, I think I paid $28 for this because I'm already receiving the dies from them, so I think you get a discount if you buy like something else. For some reason when I logged on it was discounted, so I didn't complain about it, of course, but it was discounted For me, I paid $28. Not sure why. I may have had some referrals or something. I don't know. But I paid $28 for this kit. So look at this. We have flowers. And this paper is thin. Now, I'm not going to lie. This paper is really, really thin. So keep that in mind. Sometimes other paper pads are a little bit thicker. But I think it'll work just fine once you put it on the card base. So a lot of flowers. Got this floral print, which is really pretty. I like this paper. Making sure I hadn't started over. We got another floral print, some chevron. This looks like a nice wallpaper from like the 60s or 70s. I promise. I think I saw this at like one of my grandma friend's house growing up. But it's cute though. More chevron. Ooh, I love this. It's teeny tiny flowers. Not too crazy about that. It's really small and like the pattern is like super busy. Got some stripes. And this was where it repeats itself. So it looks like it repeats itself 3 times. So you have 3 of each paper. So it's a nice size paper pack. It's like a full size. All right, so we also have a stamp. Stamp, stamp, stamp. I can't wait to play with this. So you have love. That's cute. And this is that one line? Or is that 2 different stamps? Oh yeah, that's cute. It's one stamp, but it's like the line breaks to make it look handwritten. I think that's really cute. I like this typewriter like text that they have where you can choose from, which goes really good with the whole theme of the typewriter or whatever. And it has everything is better with you by my side. All you need is, and then it has a heart. I think I love you a little bit more each day. And then we have love, hugs, kisses. Love is all you need here. I adore you. You have with loads of love. You have for you. It's always been you. So it's always nice to have some nice sentiments with the stamp set. Sometimes it can be hard to find a sentiment that you want to use with your card. All right. Now, my favorite. Like I promise y'all, like I really love their dies too. Like I've been getting their dies for like the last, I want to say 3 months. I've been getting their die kits and their dies are really great, good quality. And I like that you don't have to cut like the dies apart. If you get like dies with coordinating stamps, sometimes you have to snip them. I don't have to do that with this. Everything is already set up and it just makes it so much easier. And I love that. Like, oh, I love that. All right, so here we go. We have Itso. We have love, you plus me. We have some flowers. We have the paper and the typewriter. Like y'all, I have been so into typewriters. I even made a memory dex card with like this Lawn Fun stamp set that had a typewriter on it. So really into typewriters right now. And typewriters seem to be popping up everywhere. So that's kind of like on trend. And then it has like the little paper you can put in there. And I even saw like, let's see if they did it. Yeah, they did on it. This one, like you can add the little flowers in there, which I think is cute. So it gives you a lot to, you know, make with this typewriter. I can't wait to start making. I'm really into dies, like these steel dies. Even though I have like 3 electric die machines, I've really been into like the dies, like the manual dies. I love them. Even though I love my Cricuts, because I got 2, and I love my Scan and Cut, but I still don't feel like they replace manual dies. So some folks be like, if I get the Cricut, would I still want manual dies? And the answer is yes. I don't know why, you just will. So we have some glittery letters, and these are little stickers, which are so cute. I like these. I usually don't use stickers on my cards. I use them on like my scrapbook layouts. And I use them in my planner. Never use them on cards, but it'll be fun to do so. All right, so you saw these little stickers. Now let's move on to the die cuts. Yeah. And, wow, it's a lot of them too. All right. Oh, look at this little typewriter. This is cute, and I like the way it's packaged by itself. You're my type. That's cute. Then we have this one as well. Big hugs and kisses. These are so cute. Like, you can stick those on some designer paper, and boom, you got a card. Easy peasy. We have an envelope. Actually, we have two. We have two envelopes. We have Be Mine. Have some doilies. I'm not a big fan of doilies. I don't know why, but I'm not. We have some birds in a bird cage, but I am a fan of birds. I love me some birds. But they have a love-hate relationship with me. I be trying to be friends with the birds, and they do stuff. They be like tripping. They'll fly into me and poop on me, like chase me across the street. Birds in Atlanta have no chill. We have a little I love you banner, which is so cute. Oh, elephants. One of my favorite animals. I love birds and I love elephants. Both of them are equally cute. We have mason jars with little hearts. Ooh, we have some cameras. And I like that it's two of everything. Like, I can't tell y'all like how much I be trying to decide whether I'm going to use something on a project and give to somebody or keep it for myself. Like, sometimes I do not like giving away my projects. I be wanting to keep everything sometimes. All right, so I have hearts. I know, ain't that selfish? Anybody else like that? You just want to keep your own projects sometimes. I know, it's a bad way to be. We got to spread the kindness around. We have some little birds. How cute are these? And who remembers the mixtapes? We got I want to make you a mixtape. I love that. That's kind of cool. I still have some tapes around the house. Is that crazy? Like, my parents still kept my old like radio player, and it has a cassette tape player. And I was over there the other day and like saw some tapes. I was like, wow, mama, throw this stuff away. And we have All You Need Is Love. But I really love the cassette tapes. If you're old enough, you may remember having your cassette tape in your boombox, listening to the radio, and recording your song when it came on. Like, the majority of all the tapes that we had, we recorded off the radio. Because, like, we weren't buying no music. Because I remember, like, me and my cousins would like call in a radio station, make a request for a song, and wait for them to play it, and then record it for a mixtape. So crazy. Good memories. All right, we have some hot air balloons, some shades with some hearts. Boom. I love that everything has like this glitter on it. So this is more of like a it's girly. I'm just gonna call it what it is. It's very girly. It's not masculine at all. Like, I don't know. It's not very masculine. It's not masculine. We have some little love birds getting their kissy kissy face on. We have the word love. Have some hearts. Glittery hearts. Actually, they gave us a bunch of hearts. So we have lots of hearts. Some more flowers. And we have a heart with an arrow. And we have the word love, like it's a little balloon almost. Like it's balloons with strings or something like that. So how cute is that? Love this kit. Okay, so that is everything I got to show you today with the kit. I cannot wait to oh, I did not show you up close of the glitter. I mean, of the sequins. So nice mix of, have some transparent sequins, some pinks, some light pinks, and some whites in there. I think that's a really cute mix. All right, so my fur face is whining, So she's ready to boss me around to do something. So I have to go, but so great to be back, you guys. If this is your first time watching me or my videos, then be sure to subscribe for more craftiness. I have a couple of projects for Valentine's Day that I can't wait to share with you all, and I'm editing them now, so hopefully it don't take me forever. But I'm just happy to be back crafting and in my craft room, and I'm happy to be making videos again. I felt like a big part of my life is missing. I'm caught up on pretty much everything you can think to be caught up on with the TV. I was one of those, I'm the type of person that don't really watch a lot of TV in general anyway. But while, you know, I was recovering, the only thing I could do was pretty much sit down. Couldn't really do anything like physical. So, oh my God, I got addicted to Outlander and watched all of those. I watched so many movies. Like, I think I'm caught up on everything I could possibly want to watch now. But that is it. I am going to put my Valentine's Day stuff away, and I'm using, let me show you the box that I'm using for my Valentine's Day stuff. Ta-da! So it's kind of big, but I created this box, and on the inside it has more little love bugs, because I wanted to create something for all of my my Valentine's Day stuff. And then once Valentine's Day is over, I can just leave all my Valentine's Day themed stuff in this box and then just sit it inside of my closet for storage until next year, because I never use up all my stuff. But I really love the way, and I need this to zoom out, I really love the way the box came out. It's really easy. It's fabric. This is paper, and to get it to like have this shiny finish on there, I wiped it with the Versamark ink. I wiped it all the way around the edges where I knew it was going to show, and then I put some clear embossing powder on it and embossed it. And what it does is it gives it like this leathery type look, which I think is really cute. So I love doing that with embossing powder. But that's it for me today. That's how I'm going to store all of my crafty Valentine's Day stuff. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.